Yo, baby, you ready to let the games begin?
Baby.
Cause I'm ready.
Hey, yeah.
On your mark, get set, here we go. Check it.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty Passion. It is Sunday Reset. Sunday Reset, baby. Yes. Hey y'all, how everybody doing on this great Sunday fun day? I'm having a great morning. But I want to talk about something that's been on my mind. I've been seeing a lot of comments. Well, I ain't gonna say a lot of them, but I've been seeing some comments that are saying certain things that I just want to address. But before I get started with this video, I need you to like my video. I need you to like my video, right? Because you know it's gonna be great. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, who better? Who better? Ain't nobody better than Beauty Passion. Nobody. All right, let's get started with this comment that I've been seeing and I want to address. So, this comment is not coming from a specific person. It's just a comment that comes up more common nowadays. I don't know. It's been coming up a lot of in a lot of vlogs, under my comments, on other people blogs. I be seeing this comment and I just want to address it. So, the comment that I want to address is, and I know you all been seeing this comment too. It's a comment that says, Armon is not attracted to Nene like that. That he's never dated anybody that looks like Nene. And he's just using Nene because he's not really attracted to her. Everybody that he dated in his past have been light-skinned with good hair. I think that's what I seen. Somebody said they've been light-skinned with good hair. I don't know. Only person I seen was Essie. The other girl, I just really didn't pay her. I couldn't really. I don't know. I had to look back to see if she had good hair. I don't know. I ain't really like looking to see if the girl had good hair. Amari. And Reginae is not his kind. He's just using her because that's not even his type. Okay, when I read this comment, I kind of be like, I don't know, I'll be a little disturbed by it, you know, because I just be thinking to myself, like, how do you know who you're going to be with in the future? Like, how do you know? Like, how do you know how that person's going to look? How do you know how that person's going to act? How do you know how that person's going to look? When you're young, everybody has, like, the thing that they want to date. Who they attracted to. I'm just going to be honest. Everybody has that thing where they're attracted to a certain kind, type, height, weight, skin tone. Everybody has that. I hope that God don't send me a short man. Will I maybe end up with a short man? Maybe. But at the end of the day, I don't know how my king is going to look. I'm sure Armon didn't know how his queen was going to look. But in my mind, it's like, just because he haven't dated nobody like that looked like that in his past, what does that mean? Because I'm just going to be honest. God sent you who you need, not who you want. He sends you what you need for your life, not who you want. Matter of fact, the girls that you want, they never be the ones that be chosen. I'm just going to be honest. Those never be the chosen ones. The ones that you want don't be the chosen ones. It be the ones that you need. And we've heard a lot of things in the videos about how Armon kind of says, like, compares like Nene to anybody in his past. He said nobody has never pushed him to do nothing in his past. It was always him making decisions, him doing everything on his own without any help. Whether it be spiritually, mentally, physically, no help. He said Nene has been the first person or the first girl he ever dated that has gave him a push. She pretty much filled in all the gaps that he didn't have in the past. Do that have a face on it? I'm just being honest. Do the person that you need has a face on it? Because I don't know. Just because I need that, just because I want that person, that's not who I need. I'm just being honest. Armand needed Nene. And not in the way y'all saying. I'm not saying he needed her where he needed her money, he needed her clout. He didn't need none of that. He needed Nene spiritually and soulfully. He needed Nene. He needed somebody with the same chemistry as him to be fulfilled. So far, we see that Nene is filling all those gaps that he didn't have out of his previous relationships. We all see it. We all see that. When a person dates somebody, you hope that they the person that you want as far as like skin tone, height, weight, all that. But let's just be honest. Nobody knows what you need until you meet the person that you need. And when you meet the person that you need, I'm just going to be honest, it don't even matter what they look like. It don't matter what they look like. That's what they need. Somebody close to me, I've seen a lot of girls that he dated. None of them was of a darker skin tone. All of them was light skin. But guess who he married? I'm just being honest. Guess who he married? He married a woman of a darker skin tone. The first woman I've ever seen him date, be in a relationship, yet alone marry. He only been married once. She had a darker skin tone. And I was like, you know what? That's crazy how God send you what you need, not what you want. And it don't have a face on it. So when people are saying that's not his type, that's not his type, God sent him his type. God, he's with the person he needs to be with to fulfill his soul. They don't have a color. You're going to know that. You're going to realize that the person that God sent you, they don't have a skin tone. They don't have a height. They don't have an age. They don't have a color. They send you who you need. So I know when people be saying that little crazy stuff, that's got to be somebody that just is talking. You know what I'm saying? Or just somebody that just want to say something. Because we all see that chemistry. We've been looking at Nene and Armand on our screen since July. Nene, I'm just going to be honest, she has never dated nobody that like Armand either. Look at Nene past boyfriends. None of them look like Armand. So neither one of them have dated somebody that looks like them. But it's what they need. That's exactly what they need. What God has presented in front of them. And you all got to keep that in mind. Looks don't have nothing to do with love, chemistry, what you need. Looks have nothing to do with that. At the end of the day, you're going to be with the person that feeds your soul. And that might look like somebody you've never dated before. Now, if it looks like somebody that you've been dreaming of, you hit the jackpot. But to be honest, 80% of the people are with people that they never could have dreamed of being with, as far as physically looking. Love don't have no color. It's a feeling. Love is a feeling. It don't have no color, no age, no weight. It's a feeling. All right, so I just wanted to address that, because I kind of always be disturbed by that. Like, what are y'all talking about? Like, he's with somebody that he is in love with. I don't think he cares. I don't think if at that blind date, I feel like if it wasn't Reginae Carter, whoever was behind that blindfold and was treating him like Reginae is treating him, he would have been with him. That's just how I feel. I know men have to be physically attracted to you. I get that. I totally get that. But at the end of the day, I'm just gonna be honest. I don't really think it mattered how that person looked behind that blindfold. Especially if she started right off treating him like Reginae treats him. It's just a bonus that it had to be. It's Reginae Carter. It's a big bonus. I mean, he just said in his other vlog, like, how did he get so lucky? Like, how did he get so lucky? That right there is a mind-blowing sentence to say. How did I get so lucky? All right. Okay, so I just wanted to address that. Give me y'all thoughts in the comments below. Do you think it's just all a show? Is he just dating Reginae for clout? He ain't really physically attracted to her because she looks nothing like what he's been dating in his past. Do y'all feel like that too? Because I don't know. I didn't feel like that. Because I already know God send you who you want. I mean, God send you who you need, not who you want. So let me know how y'all feel about that in the comments below. Did you agree with that? Because I've been seeing that comment a long time now. So somebody tell me what y'all think about that comment. I just gave y'all my point of view on it. All right, so I got to put a couple videos up. Nene and Armand put up videos late last night, say about 10:30 at night or after 10 o'clock at night. They both posted videos. So I'm going to react to both of those videos. And then if they post any more videos, I'm going to react to those too today. So I'm probably going to put up about 3 videos today. I don't think I'm going overload with videos today because Sunday I'll just be relaxing. I'll be catching up on my life on Sunday. So I probably won't be putting up that many reaction videos. But if they drop some today, I might be able to react to them. I don't know yet. All right. Meet me in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion. And I'm out.
No edges to instant edges.
Go, shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug, mama, I got what you